Flowmaster is one of the biggest names in performance exhaust, and today we're installing their Force II kit on our 5-liter F-150. When removing the stock exhaust system, unbolt and remove the resonator and muffler, then drop them from the truck. The Flowmaster inlet pipe can now be bolted to the truck's downpipe. Since these trucks don't come with dual exhaust from the factory, you need to add a supplied exhaust hanger to the driver's side undercarriage. Once the muffler is secured, the over-axle pipes can be installed. Finishing up installing the exhaust, the tailpipes and exhaust tips can be bolted up. Now just double check all the connections and clamps are tight and secure, then the new exhaust is installed.